Most worshipful Pastor, brethren all, I welcome all present to this special communication of the Grand Lord to mark the Silver Jubilee of the Asantehene, and second as a Freemason. I extend special welcome to the Grand Masters and leaders of visiting Grand Lord delegation. And I think I want to mention their names here because I have them here. Most worshipful Brother Anthony Deline II, Grand Master, Grand Lord, Republic of Liberia. And I thank you very much for the honor done me today. This honor goes to all the Grand Lords of Ghana. So I take it and I accept it in the name of Grand Lord of Ghana. I thank you very much. Right Worshipful Brother Elvis Komlavi, that is the Grand Senior Warden, Quebec. Right Worshipful Brother Tahir Ben Murad, Assistant Grand Master GL Cote d'Ivoire. Thank you. Your president was here to see me last time. Thank you. Right Worshipful Brother Rouse Simon, Assistant Grand Master, National Grand Lodge of Togo. Thank you for coming. Right Worshipful Brother Jane Yves Fakwena. Now my friend should come. Jane Yves Fahoni, Fabomi, Grand Chancellor, Grand Lodge of Benin. Thank you very much for coming. And Right Worshipful Chief Osiobo Okotie, Grand Master Designate, Grand Lodge of Nigeria. Thank you for coming. I also welcome the representative of the District Grand Master of the District Grand Lodge of Ghana, English Constitution, and all other brethren here present. I also welcome our ladies and invited non-Mason friends. Good evening and welcome. Let me express my sincere appreciation to the most worshipful Brother Osei Twene Atwene Bonsu, most worshipful Grand Master of the Grand Lodge of Ghana, and the Board of General Purposes for initiating and organizing this convocation. It is appropriate that I also congratulate our Grand Lodge on its 15th year since its consecration, and especially for including our dear ladies to join us today. I am informed that the oldest Grand Lodge in Africa, the 157-year-old Grand Lodge of Liberia, strongly represented here today, has a female section, just as in England. This may be a great opportunity to discuss the formation of lodges of ladies to be attached to the Grand Lodge. And I'm sure with a clapping, my brethren of the Grand Lodge will not hesitate to support such a move. Meanwhile, among us today are gentlemen who are yet to see the light in Freemasonry. The members who invited you did so, convinced that you have the potential to be worthy Freemasons. As some of you already know, and that's been said with a good oration by my brother Ojija, my two predecessors on the golden stool, Worshipful Brother Ajimai Prempe II, after whom this temple is named, and my brother Nano Pukwari II were proud Freemasons. These golden stool occupants and other Asanteman royals are aware of the indisputable solid foundation on which Freemasonry rests by the practice of every moral and social virtue, and the high eminence of the craft in every age have been active promoters of the craft in Ghana. I'm confident that today, Today's special meeting will strengthen the supportive relationship between the craft and the traditional rulers and leaders. And I'm glad to see my brother. He knows that he's getting up. And then the new Jabin is also here. I know Guahine and Jabin here, and I'm sure this will strengthen the relationship between us. On my part, I am committed to make the contribution of Freemasonry useful to our nation, Ghana, excuse me, and fellow Ghanaians, and at the same time promote peace among our nation and this side of the world. 25 years ago, I was initiated into Freemasonry. There's no doubt that in joining a society or club, one cannot help but wonder what benefits and restrictions await one. In the case of Freemasonry, you are left to worryingly wonder more without knowing exactly what you're going to face, and with no one ready to tell you what you want to know. Whatever doubts or reservations might have crossed my mind, all I can say after the 25 years period is that I have no regrets on being a Freemason, experiencing what it unfolds, and in fact what it means to be called a Freemason. Looking forward to the future, I have two hopes. First, that the Grand Lodge will grow in stature in the coming years with dedicated brethren united in brotherly love, providing relief to the needy and acting truthfully at all times. Second, it is my hope that the Grand Lodge would intensify efforts to reach beyond the present familiar areas of influence and reach out to as many regions yet untouched by our activities. Once again, I welcome all. Let us enjoy the rest of the festivities. I wish all a safe return to your various countries and abroad. I greet you all well. Thank you.
Thank you.